Simon Ekpa is trying to come into what is happening in Nigeria today, because each and every time they want to have protests, they will say na Igbo, Igbo. That's why Ekpa is like warning Mbah, petermbah in Enugu State. To stay clear, comes that protest that day. They are going to protest. I don't know what I understand. Because Fulani soldier, Fulani military, the Arab in the military, they will use that as excuse and shoot Igbo man, begin to kill all those public office holders.
There's a verification. Verification on for the staffs on different ministry in Enugu State on the 29th. So, but Ekpa's come out now warn, the Biafrans, that they should stay clear and not come out on the 29th of July, on the day of protest, that if anything else should happen to them, that they should not put it on Ekpa, that Mbah should be held responsible.
Yes, Mbah is luring Igbos out. Mbah that already has alliance with Fulani, and he gave them land in Enugu. Fulani are clean Enugu people. That's good for Enugu, because they understand like horses, Malu.
Yeah.
That's the kind of brain they have. Nigerians are refraining. Other state governors are refraining, retracting from doing that. Mbah did it because he's an Enugu man. Obeisi. Nukuisi. Nukuisi abu Nuku brain. Mbah is just doing what the Igbos don't like because it's from Enugu. That's the Enugu man for you. So that day, if you lure civil servants out to go to offices, whatever they see, they should take it. Because I know that 29th, I think, that 29th should be Monday, I think, or Tuesday. Whatever, but protest should go on that day.
I think it's on a Monday.
I heard.
On Monday.
If you lure them out, if whatever they see, they should take. Because Enugu people, they don't hear.
Monday is already
reintegrated them. They are mixed up in the house, Enugu State House of Assembly. Yeah, there are Fulani there. They intermarry. Those are fake Igbos in the north. They don't know what they are doing because they are more. That's what I call them. I thank God that Anambra State has separated from them. Mbah should go on and implement it as he said. Whatever they see that day, they should take. All I know is that the protest should go on against bad governance, bad government, bad economy, hunger. They should what? Ban Tinubu. Jagaban should be subjected to serious ban that day. Recklessness of the judiciary, recklessness of the lawmakers, legislative. That is what brings about the indifference in the executive department. They are too indifferent, too careless. They don't care. Because the whole organs of government, the legislative, the executive, and the judicial, they are cooperating, working together with the executive to what? To suffer Nigerians. In the Western world, there are different departments. They work to outsmart each other. But in Nigeria, they gang up as what? Group of what? Thieves. Yes, that's what they are in Nigeria. Instead of Congress, that's lawmakers working hard to outsmart, to better the citizens.
Yes.
For the citizens to hail them. These lawmakers are doing well.
They are working.
They are conniving with the legislative to embezzle. That is what is going on in Nigeria. These are three organs of banditry, three organs of armed robbery, three organs of looters. Because in the Western world, it's not like that. The house of the Lord would like to outsmart the house of the labor. Labor should like to outsmart the parliamentarians, the lawmakers. That's how it's the job is divided. But in Nigeria, they centralize it. Mr. President will be cooperating with Senate President, which is wrong. Senate President are the ones that will tell him this policy you are coming out with is too difficult. It can't go down well with the citizens. Stop it. But they will be together, conniving, to rob Peter, to pay Paul, conniving together to loot public funds. That is the common goal they all have together. I mean the three organs of government in Nigeria. To steal.
To steal. Okay.
He's making the worst mistake of his life.
Mbah is fighting for this.
If Mbah goes to Finland, Simon Ekpa will kill him. No, let us be sincere. The man you are talking in question is a military man working in Finland. The country I'm talking in question is the Scandinavian country of Europe. They are the most advanced country in Europe. They are not like Nigeria, whereby governor can kill and go free. Yes.
But there's no way petermbah will beat
Petermbah's trying to extradite Simon Ekpa is a child play. Mbah is making the worst mistake of his life because if he tries it, see, let me tell you something, Mbah. I believe Mbah might watch it because I know, of course, Simon Ekpa must watch. He must view. Let me tell you, Ekpa, if Mbah tries it, if Mbah comes to Finland, maybe Mbah, Obia Finland, Nigeria, though he will never dare do that.
But it's serious. It's serious.
I know that the guy is serious.
Yeah, a conference.
Ekpa you are talking about is a military man. The kind of military man Ekpa is not Nigerian military. Nigerian military they enter bar, they take beer, they take trophy, they drink, they can do anything. This man is from a sanitized society. Finland work hard to separate themselves from Russia. Don't you think that Finland is a strong country? Finland, they are Scandinavians, most advanced country in Europe. Finland got her independence in 1956 from Russia, USSR. From 1956 back to the days of USSR, Russia, Finland were in control. Russia was in control of Finland, just like Biafran is in control of this rubbish country called Nigeria. So Finland worked hard. They agitated for their freedom. They got their independence. They separated from Russia and they fought. So that's why Finland is regarding Biafra. They don't play with Biafra. Finland starved their children in 1967, 68, 69. Denied them school fees to feed Biafran's children that were suffering from Kwachoko.
That was Russia.
Nigeria as a country is history blind. Nigeria is suffering from history blindness. That's why they don't know that it is all is well with Simon Ekpa in Finland. Yes. Simon Ekpa is well protected, fortified by his host country, Finland. Because Biafrans are going through what the Finnish went through in the 40s, in the 30s, in the 50s, before they were liberated by somebody. Someone must have liberated them. So what Ekpa is fighting is for emancipation of Biafra as a sovereign state. And Finland as a country, they support him. Now, as I'm talking to you, Finland has given him citizenship since he went there on scholarship. He worked as a military man there. So I don't know why these people that are history blind are still hammering and happy for Finland extraditing Ekpa. Kenya that are orchestrated the abduction of Finland. Kenya has never been free. No, they have never come out free from that case. They are trying to instigate another trouble for Finland. Finland knows the law. You cannot just bring somebody down. And Western Europe, they actually take us for asylum if trouble happens in Africa. So they are not wicked countries. If Finland could be all those evil axis, there are part of Europe that they tag evil axis, even part of Africa. Somali. Yeah, where you have Al-Shabaab. Al-Shabaab.
Somalia.
Yeah, Somalia. Then some part of Middle East Europe are evil axis. If could be that Simon Ekpa is in those 8 countries, they would have brought him back because they are aggrieved over Christianity. Yes, they're not happy with Christianity. But Finland, you see, is a Scandinavian country, is a Christian country. Yes. Simon Ekpa is in a very, very conducive atmosphere for peace. Mr. President can talk nonsense in Nigeria and go scot-free. Like what Tinubu talked about APC and the those states. Tinubu said, I will give you APC and those states. Going is never gone, they said gone. If you say that, that's kind of statement in Western Europe, they will get you arrested. So this is where lawlessness is being enabled by even the Department of Judiciary and the legislative. They are the one radicalizing the office of the president because they work hand in hand. In the white world, where there is advancement, development into technology, science, IT, they behave like humans. If Mr. President say anything wrong, the Department of the Legislature will ask him why and what. But in Nigeria, they work together to siphon, to steal money. That's why Tinubu is threatening the Edolites. The Edolites, of course, you know that PDP has been winning election in Edo.
He's joking. He's joking. You cannot win
Jokingly or not jokingly, that word has weight. Because this president, these governors, these lawmakers, ministers in Nigeria, they are law violators. They can violate the law, twist it, turn it upside down, and go scot-free. Because of what? Enablement from the Department of Judicial. If they go to court, the presiding justices and judges will turn the law upside down and give it to them. There's no hope for common man in Nigeria. Our judiciary has been what? Radicalized. We are not even talking about the office of the Senate president. They have bought it. The legislature has bought it. They are no longer lawmakers. They are people that violate the most law in Nigeria today. They are violators. Lawless lawmakers. How do you think justice could thrive well in Nigeria? We don't have justice again. What we have in the courts of law are chief injustices. Because they are turning law upside down.
What is in benefit?
Yes.
What is their benefit? You know, to come out after Samuel Ekpa. What is their benefit? Because you are selfish interest. You know, you want to be loyal to Fulanis. You want to benefit all. You want to become, you know, you want to achieve your power. You want to be, you want to become a good Samaritan to Fulanis. You want to be the good Samaritan to Fulanis. That is the agenda. That's what Mbah is clamoring for. That's what you know, the alarm that he's raising for. That is what you want to gain. At the end of the day, after you dance for them finish. You know, they will turn you as enemy. Petermbah to us, after you dance, how you know how to dance for Fulanis. What is your culture today? Can your culture talk again? What have you done, Joy Bokwe? You hear Joy Bokwe talk again?
That one's the talk.
Because end of the because in making of that time, what you hope say by miracle, we'll give them you know, as usual. End of the day, what happened? Joy Bokwe to come out and start a noise again, making noise to favor, you know, Fulanis. What have you to me and which? What are them? When you dance for them, finish. End of the day, they will dump you. Petermbah to go, you know, if he has power, let him go and sue Finland to court. And go and face Finland in the World Court. So that you know, you understand what is the rule of law, or what is the meaning of agitation, or what is the meaning of human rights, or what is the meaning of this is wrong and this is right. So that you understand that what is Samuel Ekpa is fighting for is absolutely right. It's absolutely right. Petermbah is fighting for selfish interest. It's not fighting for himself or the Igbos. No. He's fighting for his own pocket and his family. And his political agenda. Ambition. That's what he's fighting for. So that Fulanis will welcome him. That is a good Igbo man. What is their benefit? Where they are dancing for Fulanis. What is their benefit? What is the benefit of the listeners? They call themselves a leader. And you see the wrong thing, you cannot say it out. You cannot open up and say, no, enough is enough. You cannot come out and raise a land. That is wrong. That is why I like the Enugu state the state governor. He said, no, this is wrong. He come out and say no. Tell federal government, no, this is no, this is wrong, this is no, this is right. But those one are dancing because of what they want to gain. What is their benefit? When your brothers and sisters are languishing in hand of the enemies, Nigeria, come on Nigeria, your brothers and sisters does not recognize in Nigeria. These sinners does not recognize in anywhere in Nigeria, except those that are dancing for them. Accept them that are dancing for them. Now you come out, you come now and raising alarm because of you, because the Fulani to welcome you. Of course, I tell them, we have told them, Nigerians, if you cannot join them, if you cannot beat them, you join them. That's what they are doing. That's what petermbah is doing. That's what he's doing. So let me tell you, all those things cannot give him, cannot brought any good thing to his pocket. He cannot brought any good achievement. Good Igbos are dying in the hand of Nigeria. What the Igbos are not want to find in Nigeria, that do not recognize the Nigerian government, that not take Igbos along. They abandon the eastern part of the country. And the petermbah, what is in them? Government in there making noise. Because what you want to gain. And where you come from is like a desert. Where you come from is like desert. And they took what belong to you. You know, to put their own region in order. You are there fighting for your own pocket. In name of your fighting for Igbos. To hell. To hell with them. To hell with the so-called the Fulani governors in the east. To hell with them. I challenge you, let you go and sue the Finland. Let you go sue the Finland. Or they don't think that the Finland is like Kenya or Britain. That is a betrayer. Finland is not a betrayer. They know what is safe. They know the right, what is good and what is wrong. They know the meaning of leadership. They know the meaning of architecture. Because they understand the cause that some of the party is fighting for. No, nothing back, go I mean, to challenge them, to sue the Finland to court. I'm going to challenge Finland in court. So that you will see another side of Finland. And at the end of the day, he will carry shame and come back to Fulanis. Because they call them Fulanis leaders. Fulani, servants. I call them Fulani servants. That's what they are. I don't call them my leader. They're not my leader. Because they're not there for me. They are not there for their own children and the so-called political ambition. That's what they're there for. They don't care where they come from. They don't care whether the people are suffering in the hand of Nigeria or the people are killing in the hand of the enemy, called Nigerians. There are people who are not organized in Nigeria. Then you are against agitation. Of course, you are benefiting a lot. You are eating. You don't like anything. You don't like. That's why they cannot come out and say the truth. That's why you see them. They can never come out and say the truth. Always beating around the bush. Always support evil. And they would say no. What you will need is Biafran. We want to start as a nation. We want to stand as a nation. That is what we are clamoring for. And that is our agenda. Because they are benefiting from Nigeria, they don't care what is happening to their own people. Or for their land. Petermbah, let me ask you, is there any federal infrastructure in the East? Make it tell me a single one. Any federal project in the East after Nigeria Biafra war? You call them the so-called you people call yourself governors. What do you people have achieved in that region? Country people pass a motion, force the federal government to do something in the east. I have told them Nigeria is still breathing today because of Easterners. Because Nigeria is already buried. What will remain is to cement Nigeria, to cement up. It's already buried. Nigeria is gone.